Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Julian, 24 years old and single. I am the third among of 7 siblings. I am high school graduate and also studied vocational courses at TESDA, including hot and cold meals, bread and pastry, and agriculture. After my duties, I work as an all-around housemaid for 2 years and 4 months with one employer. My main duties is cleaning the house, cooking, and preparing food for the children. At present, I am working in a hotel, a housekeeping staff, where I gain more experience and keeping rooms neat and organized. My special skills is cooking, which is also my passion. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible, and I promise to do my best to serve your family. Thank you.